Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Toolour brand, their 3-in-1 solder smoke absorber fume extractor fan with an LED ring light built-in work light. It has 2 helping hands. You can see it includes a total of 4 carbon filters. There's 3 extras, 1 already installed. It has 10 brightness levels and 3 colors that you can use this little controller to control it. It includes a nice adapter that's already for you to use that just simply plugs right into the barrel connector right there. And it has this really nice holder adapter that allows you to have it work with different table thicknesses. As you can see, so it has an effective range of about 2.75 inches all the way down to whatever thin table you might have. So that's nice, and you just turn this and it has rubberized pieces on both sides, and you turn the handle. It also has the ability to use it vertically or horizontally, even this direction, and you just take that set screw right here and you move it over here. Right now it's set up for the vertical direction, so it gives you a lot of flexibility in your installation. It also comes with an extra clip and screw, and these clips are unique because they allow you to essentially move them along this rail right here so that it's at the right distance for your work area. So we're going to set this up and see how it performs. It also comes with a nicely written instruction sheet that has pictures demonstrating how this product works. For demonstration purposes, I have it on my table on a wood block, and again, it adjusts quite easily. I was able to lock it down on this piece of bamboo, and you can see the flexibility right here. It does allow rotation anywhere you want to have it. You can even lock it in place by turning this screw right here, and that will lock it in place. But you want to have so you can move this just like that. Now the controls are real simple. I have it plugged in. You have this control right here. You turn this on, which is this end one right there, and that turns the fan on, and the fan is running right now, and the air is going in this way and coming out the back. And then you have a light button right here. Hit that and the light comes on. You can control the color, so that is warm, that is full white, that's full white, that's warm, and that's a combination of both, so that's the brightest. You hit it again and it shuts off. Very nice. So in terms of the color, it ranges from 3000K to 6000K. And then you have different brightness levels in here, so you have a minus and a plus. So you can drop this down, really dim, nice, depending on what you're working on. Now when you're using this, you want to keep whatever you're soldering or whatever glue you're working on about 6 to 8 inches away. And then what's nice about this is I have other ones that are standalone units, but you can't put them right over your work area. So this is combining 2 technologies. It's allowing you to drop this down on your work area and be right where you're soldering or working. And this is also excellent for glue because glue produces chemicals too. So as you can see, this has the ability to totally rotate, which is really nice. So you can put it anywhere you want. And then also you could raise this up and you could raise this down and it stays in place. And then of course you could extend the arms by going like that, and it allows you to have a really wide reach so that you can reach far off into the end of your table wherever you're doing your work. And then once you got it dialed in, you could tighten the knob that's over here, and that will lock the angle in place. And then there's also a knob on this side that you could turn, and that will lock in the angle of this piece right here. so that once you have it dialed into where you want, you can keep it in place. Now this is nice also because these little helping hands allow you to move them wherever your circuit board is, whatever you're holding or whatever you're gluing, and you can tighten these down and you can slide them forward or slide them back. This fan not only is it low noise, but it's ESD safe, so it's not going to generate any sparks, so that if you had something that was sensitive to sparking, you don't have to worry about it if there's any chemical gases or something like that. The filter is very easy to replace. It just pulls right out of this piece right here, just like that, and you put the new one in. Very simple. You replace it about once every 8 months to a year, depending on how much chemicals or soldering that you're doing. I want to point out that not only is it great for soldering, but when you're using glues, like an instant glue or a two-part epoxy, they produce gases that are not healthy for you also. So you just use the fan and the light when you're curing the glue, and it'll help absorb that and put it into that carbon filter or back into the atmosphere, not into your face. So let's give this a try. I have a circuit board right on there. I got a soldering iron. Let's just see how it extracts the solder fumes. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it's totally sending the fumes right in, away from my face, as you could see. It's going right into it. You can clearly see how it's pulling in right there. And I'm about 6 inches away. Now if I drop this down, now I'm actually about 9 inches away, and it's still extracting the fumes. So that's really powerful. Even 9 inches away, it's extracting the fumes. Wow, I'm impressed. So they have a lot of circulated air in there going through that filter, and it's just pulling the fumes away from me. I don't even smell the solder anymore. Unbelievable. So after testing the Toolour Brander 3-in-1 solder smoke absorber, what do I think about this? This is a cool product. The fact that it has the ability to be totally adjustable and put the light and the fan wherever you're going to be working to extract fumes, and the combination that it has a light plus a fan saves you some desk space, and it's more efficient because you could drop it right down to where you're working. So this is a nice product, a nice kit. It works really well, seems to be constructed quite nicely. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. If you like this review, please hit the like button. There will be links that you could order this product. Please help support these channels and use those links in the information and comment section. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.